The match is between Jagityal versus Yadadri Bhuvanagiри. Jagityal team is chasing and first point within 10 seconds. Superb. They say that's a foul. So that is really awesome from Jagityal. You got this. It is from Jagityal attack. Looking to break everything. So Jagityal, yes. They're saying it's a foul. We got another skydive. That's a point. Yes. This time the point given. We got an awesome match. That's it. Touch is there. Point. Yes. First three is gone within 1 minute itself. First three is gone. Now, yes. This is brilliant. Yes. Excellent one. And this one, simple one. Jagityal team, you got this. That's another one. Yes, another point. They're going on fire. You can see it. Direct attack. The players, the coaches are encouraging them. And Jagityal got another point. Simple. Yes. There it is. Foul and quickly gone out of that one. And look at that. Diving touch and this one. Point given. It's already, I think, more than 6 points they got now. That's a foul. Foul happened and cleared in superb time. Pole dive. Yes. Pole dives, sky dives, you got it all in this match now. And let's see at the pole, can he survive? He died. He does. At that pole, he didn't. Point given. Going good, this player. Nice one. Chance. Easy one. Got that one like tiger jumping on its prey. This one dodged nice. Yes, good. He clubbed them and a fall happened in between. Going good now. Fall happened. Yes, a slip, but he manages to escape from that and the foul happened to make him settle in the court for running. Let's see how many minutes he'll play. That's an easy one to get but missed. He should have looking up like that. But what is that? Good dodge from Bhuvanagiri player to escape. Can he escape from this? No, I think. The skydive is made and the point is given. That's yes. It's an advance, they say. And this going good now. They made a substitution and yes, what an excellent dive. Point given, perfect. Jagityal team is on absolute fire here in Nalgonda. Bhuvanagiri players have no idea what's going on. They are like, you can see it in their run up. Even their mistakes are clearing in within seconds. That is why the opponents are confused with what is going on here. You can see how fast they are managing to get those points. So this 15 number player is good now. He played at most 1 minute as of now. Let's see, can he play more time? No, the point is given, and that's a foul. He's making the line and giving it to the other player from Jagityal. Chance. Now he can grab it. Easy grab. That is not a good one. And we got a substitute. And this batch is looking good in escaping now. A skydive means a point. Now a skydive means a point. So he is going good at the, yeah, that's an advance. The Dodgers are working for Bhuvanagiry players now, and you got the absolute fire of a match. You can see on the line the point is given. The crowd is good for this match as well. Everyone learning by watching these players in action. Going good. Point. Simple. And the final one in this match. Can he escape this attack? Can he? Simple. Point given. The next three is also here. We got 9 minutes match now. So they are looking nice to play and exhausted as well. They are getting and they are targeting more points as they can. Yes, another point. There it is. They should make substitutions now because these players will going to run for 9 minutes after this one. Yeah, good. Excellent one. Point given. He's exhausted. That's what we are talking about. They should make substitutes to make these players play nice in the second inning. Yeah, that was nice. Going good. Jagityal got so many points. Even I couldn't count them. That many points they got in this turn of attack. Last 1 minute left. So they didn't give any chance for a dream run. Point. Yes, that's a point. So that's it. They want to end this. They got so many points. That's why they take a timeout to get some rest. Absolute fire game from Jagityal. And the attack of Yadadri Bhuvanagiry also started. Let's see how they will replay with their attack. So they are targeting this single player with a pole dive, not succeeded. Let's see. In 8 seconds they got a point. Let's see, and can they get a point? It's already past 20 seconds. So let's see what will happen. Going good. Jagityal didn't give any chance. He's claiming a point, but that's a foul. So that's advance and fouls happening. That means Jagityal is ahead of the game. That's simple. The fouls are happening. Yeah, that is nice. Good one. They are running simply. That's a good dodge and escape. The fouls happening. Yeah, you can see the difference between Jagityal team and Yadadri Bhuvanagiri. When a foul happened, they cleared it in within seconds. That is what the secret of your success. You make a mistake, you have to clear it as fast as you can. And when you know it is a foul or a mistake, you should make it fast to clear it. If not, you will end up in losing. So, opportunity, no touch, almost a touch. So, they are laughing and playing. That is simply nice. It's been 2.5 minutes and still no point for the other team, Yadadri Bhuvanagiri. And they're making substitutions. Let's see, can they get any speed and some luck to get a point now. If not, means Jagityal will through to the next stage of semis, I think. Superb. The substitutions happened. And 1 more minute, a dream run will happen, and that will doubles their score. That means Yadadri Bhuvanagiri will have no chance to come back in this game. We didn't see any skydive from the team, and opportunities are giving by the Jagityal players, but not grabbing from the Yadadri Bhuvanagiri district. The foul happened and substitution also. They have targeting the other players as a single one, so they can make him exhausted. And they given a dream run for the team. That means the score they made in the first run will get doubled. Awesome. At 8th minute they'll get another dream run if any one of a player from this batch will remain until 8 minutes. So that will be a record also. Playing that much time means not an easy job to do for 8 minutes in full stretch. You can see there, that is what happening here. They are not targeting a single player to make him exhausted. He looks exhausted. All they should do is to focus on him. You can see the other player is what he's doing. He's avoiding the others. Just as simple. He is like giving a chance, something like that. After every dream run and another dream run, for every 1 minute they are giving a dream run. They are doubling their score. You can see him. He is exhausted and he gone to him. And see, that's full focus. That's a chance, but he's still on the court. He's not giving it up. Running to the other one. I think he will get back. Yeah, he's going back and chance. He's not going out and he's not giving. Yeah, now he's gone. Finally 1 point for the Bhuvanagiri team. After 5 minutes, you see. No skydive. That's simply outplaying the Yadadri Bhuvanagiri players here. The Jagityal team looking really tough to play with. We'll see they can win the cup also. And the foul happened means finally they cleared it well enough. Chance. So many matches are happening. It's back-to-back dream runs for Jagitial district here. So the second batch is also ready. You can see them. They're just watching the first batch play in the court. That's a really good thing for Jagitial team. Everyone is contributing in their games, sports. So this is the final minute and they got 5 back-to-back dream runs as of now. And that means another dream run and these two players will remain on the court. I can predict that. Yes. The time is running fast for the attackers. Foul happened. Simple. Last 10 seconds left. The teammates are encouraging them for their performance and congratulating them as well. Time's up. So the two players remain 9 minutes and we got another one, that's Arvind. He's also stayed with them. So proud of this team. Really well. Good one. This is a follow on for Yadav Bhuvanagiri now. They didn't get those points. That's a mistake. And those two who left and the match is ended now. And the Jagitial team through to the semis after this wonderful match. They go on to the semis. They are waiting for the players to and that's it. That's the spirit of the game. That is really good. They are meeting and discussing about the game. It is wonderful. Really nice. Appreciating everyone. The semis players are here and these players from Bhuvanagiri as well. That is really good.
Well played, Jagitial. Bhuvanagiri, well played.
Yeah, that is nice. Really good scenes here. They are all meeting the officials as well, these players. That's awesome.
Set number 4 completed.
Brilliant scenes on the court.
Court number 4.
That is really nice. The final one, awesome.
Set number 3.
And the spectators as well, the supporters of Jagitial team. So We won the match now. That is really nice. Good. So they are going to respect the court now. You can
Court
see it.
number 4. Ladies of the ground
And
ready.
they are good. They are asking them to come inside. They are going to respect the court. You can see it.
So last and final call match. Last and final call match between Narayanpur versus Korandeep Asimabad. This match will be played at court number 4.
Yes, they are making something.
Narayanpur versus Asimabad. On court number 4.
That's it. That's the spirit of winners.